YouTube Shorts is dead, many people say. But is this true? Let's look into it. If you've been struggling to get views on YouTube, you're not alone. The competition is fierce and it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. But fear not, because I have some valuable insights to share with you that will help you increase your views and get your videos noticed. One of the key factors that can make or break your success on YouTube is the timing of your video uploads. Posting at the right time can significantly impact the number of views you receive. But how do you determine the best time to post? Well, there are two approaches you can take. The first approach is to analyze your audience. Once you have an understanding of your audience's activity patterns, try posting your videos right before or during the peak viewer hours. This strategic timing can result in a significant increase in views and exposure. Imagine the impact of capturing the attention of a large number of viewers who are already online and ready to watch. But wait, don't get discouraged if you don't see an immediate influx of views. Now let's talk about another crucial aspect of optimizing your YouTube channel: your video titles. A well-crafted title can make all the difference in attracting viewers and enticing them to click on your video. Unfortunately, many small creators make common mistakes when it comes to title optimization. First, make sure your titles have proper capitalization. Yes, that's right. Capitalization matters. A title written in all lowercase letters may look unprofessional and unappealing to potential viewers. So, capitalize the first letter of each word to give your title a clean and polished appearance. Next, consider incorporating emojis into your titles. Emojis can add a touch of personality and playfulness, making your videos more engaging and eye-catching. Oh, and don't forget about hashtags. Including relevant hashtags at the end of your titles can help increase discoverability. So take some time to research popular hashtags in your niche and use them wisely. Give them a reason to click and explore further. Additionally, establish your authority on the subject matter within the title itself. Let viewers know that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy, which will make them more inclined to watch your content. But wait, there's a word of caution. Avoid blindly copying titles from big channels within your niche. While it may be tempting to imitate their success, remember that they already have an established audience. Instead, look for successful titles from small channels within your niche. This expansion will attract a wider audience and potentially bring in more views and subscribers. Remember, it's an exciting time to be on YouTube. Growing your channel and getting more views and subscribers is easier than ever before. However, it's essential to stay vigilant and adapt to the ever-evolving platform dynamics. What works today may not work tomorrow, so keep experimenting, analyzing data, and refining your strategies. Now let's touch on the idea of expanding beyond a narrow niche. While it's crucial to find your niche and cater to a specific audience, don't limit yourself indefinitely. Once you start gaining traction and building an audience, consider broadening your horizons. Gradually introduce new topics and explore related areas within your expertise. In conclusion, getting more views on YouTube is a multifaceted process. Pay attention to the timing of your video uploads, optimize your titles for curiosity and authority, and don't be afraid to expand your content beyond a narrow niche. With patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt, you can increase your views and unlock the true potential of your YouTube channel.